Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm gonna be playing this deck. What? Is it deck? I thought it was gonna call it deck. What could you change? Oh, that sucks. Good news is I can still go off. Theoretically, possibly, maybe. If she didn't Ash Blossom me, I probably could have made a lot bigger of a hill turn one. Trick stars, woohoo! Chaos Dragon in 2019, folks. This is how we Yu-Gi-Oh! In 2019. Yes, you don't know, Chaos Dragons is a deck, well, it was an official name for this deck. The official name was Dragons Collide. It was a structure deck back in 2012 that saw a lot of competitive play. It was good because it came with everything you needed except for BLS. Chaos Input Dragon came in an Eat-Up, but that's because it was banned at the time. Okay. On. Excuse me. Excuse me, okay, sorry. Okay. Start. Going on you, sweetheart. Oop, I should have made something else instead. Damn it. Now she can't really summon in her box, the mythic mine gets destroyed. Okay. Also, I'm sorry, y'all guys. I seem out of it. I'm tired. I haven't been sleeping well, so. Well, I wanted to bring you guys a video. Yeah, I misplayed on that so hard. I really should have made Nightmare Phoenix destroying it. Cantina. Okay. Wait, why didn't it? Yay, got rid of that mystic mine. Now maybe I can actually Yu-Gi-Oh! I thought I had like pulse all my day. No, she screwed me up with that. I should be able to make Boilo Savage Dragon, but it's not letting me. That's weird. No is it letting me take that to Emerald? Hmm. Yeah, Mystic Mine really screwed me up. I'm not able to play normally. I know why it wouldn't let me go into my deck goes for Emerald or whatnot, because I didn't have a card pointing down. Oops. Tricks the light stage. Uh-huh. Uh-huh. Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. I should have put this in defense just because. Just in case she has a mail force or some shit. Top decking BLS. Pretty good. I could have destroyed it her monks instead, but it would have been better just to banish it. Because I would have lost BLS too. And she could get it back with reincarnation if she had one in the grave. Oh, it's like I'll just oppress her field with yeah. Somehow, with all of the drawing session that she's doing, I still manage to have less cards in deck than she does. It's crazy. Honestly, I don't see why people or bitching about Mystic Mine. It's pretty easy to get around. Should be her third one. She has one banished, one in her grave, and then that one. Yeah, that's the third one. I'm trying to get rid of her like licorices so I don't keep taking that 200. Well, that wasn't nice. She negated BLS. Do I even have it? Lightning Dolphin's Dragon. I need to put Lipier in here. That's 2 reincarnations down. Oh, her, I'd play it in defense. I know she can hear me, so I'm hoping that she gets the hint. Actually, it wouldn't matter. Kind of does. It's a little less damage. She could maybe out one of my cards by link summoning. Depending on what she has in her extra deck, she can out it. Wait, what happened to her field? Did you special summon to Topological Bomber Dragon?
Yes.
Why didn't you put
I forgot about that.
the game? So deck profile, real quick. 2 Chaos Ample Dragons, 3 BLSs, 1 Dark Arm Dragon, 1 Red Eyes Dark Spinal Dragon, 3 Light Pulsar Dragons, 2 Dark Flare, 1 White Dragon Wide Robuster, 1 Black Dragon Collapser, 3 Raiden, 3 Wolf, 3 Felidus. This is just a great force. I might cut these out. 3 Supreme King Dragon Dark Room, 1 of the Gate Zeros, 3 of the 2 Performance Power Trigger. I might cut Felidus out for one of these, for another one of these. 1 Performance Power Trick Clown, Monks Are Reborn, Rhoda, Foolish, 1 Dragon Shrine, 3 Charger Light Brigade, 3 Solo Recharge, 1 Allied